So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to duplicate this layer so we can see the before and after. Click on this icon. And now go to Filter. And then Gimp. And now go down here to Colors. So left click on the arrow here. And then just go down until you find Color Presets. Left click on it on Color Presets. And now, for example, here the preset is none. So here are all the filters you can apply to this layer here. So for example, let's select on the preset. So for example, I'm going to select modern film. So here it gave it a little bit of kind of orangey look. Let's try night sky. So now this one. So now let's try another one. So for example, let's back here, let's change it. You can also, for example, increase or decrease the settings, for example the strength. So if I decrease it, so here it is, or the brightness. So here it's the contrast, gamma, hue, saturation, and here normalize colors. So I'm going to leave to none. So now I'm just going to click on this icon here to reset. So here it is. Now let's select another one. Let's select cinematic. Now left click on the preset here. So I'm going to select another one. So now I think I'm going to leave with this one here, dark green. And now I'm going to reduce the strength a little bit. And now you can check the preview. Click on this icon here. So I think I'm going to leave it here. Now press OK. Now press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. Now let's see before and after.